In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit on Zoho Books. Auditing your financial and transactional activities is an essential aspect of running any business smoothly, and Zoho Books offers a comprehensive method to keep track of all your account changes effortlessly. If you've been planning to ensure that your financial records are accurate and tamper-proof, you're in the right place. First, begin by navigating to the Reports section, which is conveniently located on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub for all kinds of reports, providing you with valuable insights and the ability to analyze your financial data in depth. It's the first stop in our journey to ensuring your accounting records are up to date. Once you're in the Reports section, the next feature you'll want to select is Activity. This part of the dashboard will display various options related to the activities that have taken place within your Zoho Books account. It acts as a central point for observing how your records are being modified over time, giving you complete control over transparency and accountability. Upon clicking on Activity, you will need to decide between two sub-options: Activity Logs or Audit Trail. Both of these tools are designed to offer you a detailed log of all modifications and deletions that have occurred within your account. The activity logs will provide you with a chronological listing of all events, while the audit trail gives you a more structured version of how your data is being handled. Choose the one that best suits your auditing needs at any given moment. To make your auditing process more efficient, you'll want to use the available filters. Zoho Books allows you to narrow down your results by date, user, or record ID. This is especially helpful if you are tracking specific activities or if you have a targeted time period you want to review. Narrowing down your search in this manner ensures that you don't have to sift through irrelevant data, letting you focus on the information that matters most. After you've filtered the logs to your preference, you can click on a specific log entry. This action will give you access to a detailed view of any changes that were made. Here, you can see both the before and after values of a particular modification. This is a vital feature for identifying discrepancies, understanding the sequence of changes, and ensuring that all alterations align with your business protocols. By following these steps, you can effectively audit your account on Zoho Books and maintain a clear and precise record of all your transactions. This procedure not only helps in identifying errors and unauthorized changes, but also enables you to hold robust records that can withstand scrutiny. Thank you for watching, and be sure to keep your records accurate and secure with Zoho Books.